Okay, let's do this. Hello mga my dear. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, ako to. Huwag ka na magtanong kung anong nangyari. Don't ask any question. Okay? Kasi maski ako pagkagising ko, nagulat ako. Ganito na itsura ko. Okay. So, this is going to be your second half of May, mga my dear, second half of May. This is from May 16 hanggang sa katapusan, mga my dear. And of course, this is a general reading. So, reminder, munting paalala lang mga my dear Cancer, na ang gagawin natin today ay general reading. So, hindi to 100% na mag-resonate para sa ating lahat. So, please, lower your expectation pagdating po sa mga general reading. Walang filter yan, te, totoo yan. So, I just wish na filter lang lahat to. Grabe mga ka-hairline. Uy, grabe mga hairline, oh. Ayan, okay. Happy? Masaya na? Okay, mga basher ko dyan. Masaya na? Mga basher? Okay. Ganyan daw talaga yung style niyan eh. Kaso, binababa ko ng binababa eh. Okay. So, let's go tayo, my dear. May tawa ng tawa sa gilid. Okay. So, let's go na tayo mga my dear Cancer. Let's start your reading. Let me have your first card. We have here the energy of relaxation. Okay. Ayan o. So, meron relaxation. Ewan ko kung makakapag-relax kapag ganito yung nasa harapan mo. Okay? So, this is the time, my dear Cancer, second half of May, to relax. Okay? To read books. Diba? Kagaya ng read books. Okay? Peace of mind, maghanap ng mga quality activities, okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko sa card na yan. This is the time, okay? Try to relax, my dear. No, ewan ko lang kung makakapag-relax ka pa pag ganito ang nasa harapan mo. Okay, so tingnan natin, my dear. Additional cards. Tingnan natin, my dear. Okay, this one we have here. I am absolutely in love with you. Okay. So, meron kang message galing sa Hermit Tarot that I am absolutely in love with you. So, merong tao na I think parang in love siya sa'yo or still in love with you. Yun ang nakukuha ko dyan. Okay. Let's add another card. I love you. Okay. So, I can feel, my dear, na somebody is in love with you. Sa energy ng relaxation, my dear, if medyo nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety or medyo nag-overthink ka, my dear, mahal niya kaya ako or something like that, lalo na sa usapin ng love, this is the sign, a message, my dear, na mahal ka niya. Okay? So we have here, I am absolutely in love with you. And I love you. Okay? I think this is love is in the air. Sa energy na relaxation, you can actually spend time with your loved ones, my dear, sa mga oras na to. Okay? And, di ba, mag-relax kayong dalawa, mag-date kayo, di ba? So, tingnan natin, my dear, additional cards tayo, my dear Cancer. Let me see. Let me have your 8 cards. The 4 of Wands, my dear. Baka meron mga ikakasal, baka meron marriage, okay? Relationship. Ang lakas ng energy ng relationship. Teka, let us just use our... Kung meron mga misunderstanding, miscommunication sa loob ng relationship, my dear, I think this is the time. Kasi galing sa Hermit Tarot natin is I am absolutely in love with you. So, kung merong mga misunderstanding, miscommunication, away, I can feel, my dear, yung pagsisisi doon sa partner mo, okay? I can feel na parang sinasabi niya dito, galing sa kanya itong message na to na, I am absolutely in love with you, love na love kita, parang ganon, I love you, yung ganon. So, tapos 4 of Wands, okay? So, clarify ko nga itong 4 of Wands. Clarify na natin. The Emperor, no. The Hierophant, energy ng marriage. Ang ganda nito, sa mga kasal, if you are actually married, okay, kung kayo ay kasal, Kasi itong combination ng card na to is confirmation ng marriage. Okay? So, ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, is posibleng meron mga ikakasal or meron mga marriage na parang magiging mas okay siya, my dear, sa second half of May. Okay? So, ang ganda nitong card na to. I can see some connection, okay? Meron mga proposal, meron mga nagpro-propose over here. If you are having anxiety or overthinking or something like that, my dear, this is a sign na love ka ng partner mo, that your partner is in love with you. Okay? So, next card. The energy of the Emperor, binabanggit ko pa lang kanina. Lumabas naman siya. Posibleng energy ng Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, and actually Taurus lang eh. Okay? My dear, gusto ka nito. Gustong-gusto ka talaga nitong person na to. Okay? I can feel that somebody is really in love with you. I can feel na parang 'di ba, gusto niyang pakasalan ka or parang gusto ka niyang makasama habang buhay, gusto niya magkaroon ng pamilya with you. This is the time, my dear, na parang sabagay sabi dito sa relaxation, peace of mind. Okay, so energy ng peace of mind. This is the time na magkaroon ka ng peace of mind that meron mga tao na parang they are really committed na talaga, my dear. Okay, energy ng air sign, nandito energy ng Aquarius. We have here the energy of the Five of Pentacles. Okay, may problema sa tingnan natin. Pera yan. And the Ace of Wands. Okay, just in case medyo meron ka mga problema na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal, maganda to sa energy ng Ace of Wands kasi posibleng magkakaroon ng changes. This is a massive change, my dear Cancer. As in, sobrang massive na change. Sa relationship, ganda. Kasi meron ako mga nakukuha proposal, meron ako nakukuha dito ng meron mga pagbabago. Nakakakita ako, my dear, ng isang tao na sobrang love na love ka talaga niya and willing siya, my dear, or parang gusto niya, my dear, na mag-spend ng kanyang buhay kasama ka. Okay, ganda ko talaga. Oo. Ayan. So, sa energy naman ng usapin ng pera, my dear, we have here the Five of Wands and the Ace of Wands. This is a very, very nice card, my dear, if you're familiar with the tarot. So, kung meron ka mga problema, my dear, na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal, definitely, okay, ayan, okay, merong Ace of Wands. So, nakukuha ko dyan is parang merong mga doors, okay? Merong mga opportunities na may kinalaman sa usapin ng pinansyal, okay? Or possibly, my dear, na itong tao na to is yun ang magiging door para maging okay yung usapin ng pinansyal mo. Kasi remember, emperor siya. So, posibleng madato. Posibleng mapera to. Okay? Ayan. Posibleng gustong-gusto niya. Posibleng may magkakagusto sa'yo, my dear, or meron nagkakagusto sa'yo na may pera. Okay? Parang ganon. Okay? Last two cards tayo, mga my dear. Last two cards. We have here the Five of Wands. Ayan. Bakit may Five of Wands? And, ayan. The Five of Swords, 555, Cardinal here. Okay. So, dito sa area na to, dito ka nakukuha yung energy kanina, my dear, na merong energy ng Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, or energy ng air sign, Aquarius lang talaga nakukuha ko na malakas eh, na parang I think nagsisisi siya, my dear, okay? Nagsisisi siya, my dear, na parang alam mo yon, nararamdaman niya na parang love ka pa rin niya. Okay, I can feel na parang love ka pa rin niya, my dear. For you naman, my dear, it's about time para makaalis dun sa isang situation, okay? Makaalis dun sa isang situation. Love yourself, relax. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko, my dear, dito sa ating card. Okay? So, mga my dear, very, very nice reading. Especially kung, I think parang meron mga gusto mag-renew ng vow. If just in case parang kasal kayo, parang gusto niya na parang ayusin yung marriage nyo. Yun na nakukuha ko dito, my dear. Ang lakas talaga ng energy sa marriage. And mahal ka pa rin daw niya. Yun na nakukuha ko over here. Very aggressive tong energy ng King of Swords. Okay? So, about on deck of the card pala, okay, we have here the Four of Cups. Okay, medyo stuck tong energy na to. Pero I can feel na yung iba sa inyo is posibleng papasok sa mga panibagong relationship or parang meron magre-reach out sa inyo para mag-offer ng relationship. I can also feel, my dear, na meron mga opportunities or baka meron mag-offer sa inyo ng help na may kinalaman sa usapin ng relationship and career. Okay? So, my dear, yan ang iyong reading para sa iyong second half of May. Somehow, mga my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ito, especially kung napadaan ka lang, don't forget to subscribe. I-click, my dear, ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa aking mga upload. And please to like, please to share, please to comment sa lahat ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po and until next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.